Welcome back to Decorio Studio, your premier destination for high-end interior design inspirations and sophisticated home decor trends. Today we are exploring the breathtaking fusion of 1920s glamour and seasonal freshness with our 16 Art Deco Elegance inspired luxurious spring Easter home styling ideas for 2026. This curated collection showcases how geometric precision and opulent materials can transform your holiday setting into a masterpiece of modern luxury. Please remember to comment on your favorite look, like this video, share it with fellow. Elevate your centerpieces by incorporating hand-painted Easter eggs featuring gold leaf linear patterns inspired by Gatsby-era motifs. These exquisite pieces sit perfectly atop tiered marble stands with brass accents to create a focal point that screams luxury. The contrast between the organic egg shape and the rigid metallic lines offers a sophisticated visual balance. This setup provides a timeless aesthetic that bridges the gap between traditional holiday symbols and high-end art. Incorporate soft mint and lavender velvet cushions adorned with silver piping to soften your living room's Art Deco architecture. The plush texture of the fabric provides a luxurious tactile experience, while keeping the palette light and airy for the spring season. Pair these with chrome-finished side tables to reflect the brightening sunlight of March and April. This combination ensures your space feels both cozy for family gatherings and sharp for evening cocktails. Redefine your entryway by layering a delicate cherry blossom wreath over a classic gold sunburst mirror. The sharp rays of the mirror frame the soft pink petals beautifully, creating a dynamic interplay of strength and fragility. This unique styling choice honors the iconic Art Deco silhouette while welcoming the rebirth of nature. It serves as a stunning first impression for guests arriving for your Easter brunch celebrations. Arrange crisp white tulips in heavy, fluted crystal vases placed in perfect symmetry along a mirrored console table. The repetitive vertical lines of the glassware echo the architectural rigor of the 1920s, while the flowers bring organic life. Using a monochromatic floral palette keeps the look high fashion and prevents the decor from feeling cluttered. This approach emphasizes the less is more philosophy within a maximalist Art Deco framework. Set your dining table with a silk runner featuring bold fan-shaped embroidery in shades of emerald green and pale gold. This striking foundation sets a regal tone for your Easter dinner, grounding the lighter seasonal elements with deep, rich colors. The rhythmic pattern draws the eye down the length of the table, making the space feel elongated and grand. It is an effortless way to inject architectural history into a contemporary dining setting. Swap traditional porcelain rabbits for stylized brass figurines that feature clean lines and sharp angles. These metallic sculptures act as sophisticated ornaments that fit seamlessly onto bookshelves or mantelpieces without feeling overly whimsical. The polished gold finish catches the light beautifully, adding a subtle glow to your spring vignettes. These pieces are true collectibles that represent a mature and artistic approach to Easter iconography. Introduce decorative glass panels or hangings that utilize the geometric leadwork characteristic of Deco cathedrals to filter spring sunlight. The colorful reflections cast vibrant, shifting patterns across your floors and furniture throughout the day. This technique adds a layer of spiritual grandeur and artistic depth to your home environment. It perfectly captures the essence of Easter morning, through a lens of vintage architectural beauty. Present your holiday appetizers on a heavy Carrara marble board, featuring inlaid brass dividers in a chevron pattern. This functional piece of decor elevates a simple brunch spread into a gourmet experience fit for a luxury hotel. The cool touch of the stone keeps your treats fresh, while providing a stunning contrast to colorful spring fruits. It proves that even the most practical items can be infused with high-style elegance. Choose plates with scalloped edges and gold rims to mimic the iconic fish scale pattern, often found in Art Deco wall coverings. This subtle nod to the era provides a rhythmic border for your culinary creations during the Easter feast. When stacked, the layers of gold and porcelain create a tiered effect that looks like architectural molding. This attention to detail ensures every aspect of your styling feels intentional and luxurious. Hang delicate glass egg ornaments from a low-slung crystal chandelier to create a floating garden of light and reflection. The weightless appearance of the ornaments dancing between the glass prisms adds a touch of whimsical glamour. As the evening sets in, the light refracts through the eggs, bathing the room in a soft, celebratory shimmer. It is a bold statement piece that utilizes vertical space for maximum holiday impact. Decorate your walls with oversized 3D fan panels in matte white to provide a textural backdrop for your colorful spring florals. The repetition of the fan shape provides a sense of movement and energy that complements the spirit of renewal. By keeping the panels white, you allow the intricate shadows and highlights to do the talking. This sophisticated backdrop ensures that your Easter bouquets pop with vivid, saturated color. Shape your spring boxwood topiaries into strict geometric forms like cylinders or pyramids, rather than simple spheres. Place them in tall black lacquered planters with gold banding for a high-contrast, formal look. These structured greens provide a sense of order and prestige to your patio or foyer. The stark contrast between the green leaves and black lacquer is a hallmark of sophisticated Art Deco styling. Replace standard bulbs with opaline glass globes held by brushed brass fixtures to create a soft, ethereal spring glow. This diffused lighting mimics the gentle morning light of Easter and highlights the smooth surfaces of your decor. The spherical shapes provide a soft counterpoint to the sharp angles found in other deco elements. It creates an inviting atmosphere that encourages guests to linger and enjoy the festive surroundings. Finish your place settings with heavy silk napkins held by hexagonal brass rings and finished with long, luxurious tassels. The movement of the tassels adds a playful yet expensive feel to the table, reminiscent of 1920s flapper fashion. Choosing a rich champagne or oyster color maintains the upscale aesthetic while feeling seasonally appropriate. These small textile details are what separate a standard table from a professionally styled one. Incorporate a temporary high-shine floor vinyl or a patterned rug featuring a bold Gatsby-style lattice in the center of your gathering space. This anchors the room and defines the area for Easter games or social interaction with undeniable flair. The strong floor pattern provides a foundation of stability and luxury that supports the lighter spring elements above. It transforms the very bones of the room into a thematic masterpiece. Integrate gold-dipped palm leaves into your floral arrangements to pay homage to the tropical influences of Art Deco resort style. These metallic fronds provide height and a sense of exotic luxury that pairs beautifully with soft Easter lilies. The mixture of living green and permanent gold symbolizes the eternal nature of the season's themes. We hope these ideas inspire your most elegant holiday yet. So please comment, like, share, and subscribe to Decorio Studio for more.